Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 21 of my Tag a Day November. For today's card, I used some Gina Marie Designs enamel dots, the Sunny Studio Joyful Holiday cardstock papers. I used the layering oval framelets from Stamping Up. I used the Holiday Sentiments from Craft & Chemie. Such a great set. And the basic stitched edge dies from My Favorite Things, I don't think that they're available anymore. And then for my die shape, I used the Honeybee Tag Builder. And there is my tag for today. Dear Santa, please define naughty. Just some cardstock on the back, my favorite ribbon. There's those dots. I forgot I put it away. I used some Mermaid Melody ink from Craft & Chemie. It's my absolute favorite color from Craft & Chemie. Well, one of my favorite colors. I reach for it often. And there's those papers, and you can see that I drop it, that I used the edge die there. It was a bigger piece, but I made it go for both of them. And so there is my tag for day 21. Thanks so much for stopping by. I will see you back here tomorrow for day 22. Have an awesome day and go do something crafty. Bye.